You want the good news or the bad news?
There's no such thing as bad news in our line of work. Our attention to excellence is what puts us in a position of power. What is the status?
Well, we have photos from the LPS Administrators Retreat. Their focus is Mission Possible.
In preparation for the new school year, why didn't we see this coming?
We have video from Sardu's Cloud, right from the
Show me.
retreat. So here's Sardu's footage of the admin going right into the retreat.
Freezer right there. It's David Walker and Annabelle Lewis. They're always trying to make an impact with the kids.
Sardu even tried to go inside, but Agent Walker stopped him at the door.
When is Sardu going to get here?
Well, that was the bad news I wanted to tell you about.
They got him. Told him to be careful. All right, we're going to have to put together an extraction team to get him out of there.
No, there's no need for that. He actually joined them. All these videos this up close, that means he's going rogue.
Linden Public Schools always making a difference. Who's the head of this operation?
Let me see. All right, I got it. This looks like Agent Superintendent Perkins. According to the top secret folder we found, her vision is to ensure student success by enhancing systems and structures and sustained accountability.
Roar.
Come again.
Roar. Linden Public School are tigers. She's committed to excellence through R, resilience, O, opportunity, A, achievement, R, relationship.
Sir, there's nothing we can do. Their Mission Possible operation is in effect and their district is in for a successful awakening.
And I'm sure the community's gonna be fully on board. Shut it down. Case closed. Linden's gonna roar like they've never roared before.
Agents, are we live?
Yes, we are. We have 1 minute before they lock in on your location.
Hello, Linden families. Now is the time for us to stand up against systems of mediocrity. We will no longer stand by and allow our students and schools be anything less than their greatest potential. Now is the time. If you are watching this video, we need you to help make a difference. I am now empowering all of us with the roar it takes to make this mission possible. Agents, are you ready to screenshot these 4 points?
Are you ready? I've intercepted the satellite and the files are ready.
R, resilience. Don't give up. Resilience is our superpower. O, opportunities. Don't settle. Be curious and ask questions. A, achievement. Inspire hope. Unlock peak performance. R, relationships. Be kind and make connections with those around you.
Agent Perkins, get out of there. The school year is about to start.
Tell everyone you know. Don't let anything or anyone stop you. Remember, Linden Tigers, we are in this together. This Mission Possible task will take us to new heights.